So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add long and short position tools on Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. So through there you can see your trading, your payments and wallet, insights, Exness benefits, copy trading support hub, your profile. You can see some other stuff on there. So you can check out through your trading, through your profile, through other stuff that you can use, some different setups that you can use in your Exness terminal. So once you get there, you're going to see a layout similar to this one. So the sell buy market, you can see some icons for your chart. So you can see from the top cross, then trend line, fib retracement, XABCD pattern, and you can see the long position. So what's interesting about this is that you can get an expanded menu, and to add a long position or a short position, you can add the short position and then you can see the changes taking effect on there. Again, if you want to choose some other stuff from either your projection, anchored, and measurer, you can get that as well. But for long position and short position, the main two things are right there. So just choose one of those and you will see your changes taking effect, and you can check it out on there to get a better look at what's happening within one of your tables that you've set up for your favorites. So you can do it through the menu right here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.